It's day 4. It's fucking cold outside. We just had the huge ass storm come through. As you can see, I've got this like face mask type thing. Got gloves today. We got about, let's say, 6 to 7, maybe 8 inches of snow today, and it's only supposed to get worse. Tomorrow, it's gonna be like negative 18 without the wind chill. So I'm kind of excited to see how cold it is tomorrow. I've never experienced it that cold. So yeah, that's what today has brought. I mean, I'm in the garage trying to stay out of the wind because it's fucking freezing. Today I've just kind of tried to stay inside as much as possible. My new puppy, she's a black lab. She just loves the snow. She just jumps around and buries herself underneath the snow, which we're kind of scared for tomorrow because it's going to be well below freezing tomorrow. But the snow started yesterday about, I'd say, 5:45 in the morning. And still hasn't stopped. And it's 2 o'clock in this morning. As you can see the pattern that I try to get these videos early. But whatever. Try to get them done and over with while everybody's asleep. The wind out there is ridiculous. Like, ridiculous. But I'm going to let you guys go for now, and see you tomorrow. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See ya.